First question says, fill in the blanks. In BDMAS, M stands for, we know that M stands for multiplication. M stands for multiplication. Number 2, rectangle area equal to length multiplied by breadth. Length multiplied by breadth. Triangle area equal to length multiplied by breadth divided by 2. Actually, triangle is half of the rectangle. So, length multiplied by breadth divided by 2. Number 4, volume equal to length multiplied by breadth or width. Okay, anyone you can write. You can write either breadth or width multiplied by height. Number 5, length equal to area divided by breadth. This one applicable for rectangle. Height equal to volume divided by length into breadth. This is applicable for cuboid. Length equal to perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth. Number 8, volume equal to base area multiplied by height. Base area or area, anyone you can write. Area multiplied by height. Number 9, breadth equal to volume divided by length multiplied by height. We are using this formula to find out the breadth of a cuboid. Number 10, complete rotation. Complete rotation represents 360 degrees. Okay. Number 11, there are dash in complete turn. There are 360 degrees in complete turn. Okay, so 360 degrees in a complete turn. Now, question number 12, 3 by 4 circle. These three are very important. Look, 3 by 4 circle. One circle represents 360. So 3 by 4 circle means 3 by 4 multiplied by 360. So at first we'll divide 360 by 4. We know that when we'll divide 360 by 4, it will be 90. Here 360 divided by 4, that will be 90 degree. So 3 multiplied by 90 degree will be 270 degree. So 3 by 4 circle will be 270 degree. Similarly, number 13, 1 by 4 circle means 1 by 4 multiplied by 360. So 360 divided by 4 will be 90 degree. So we can say this one will be 90 degree. Number 14, half circle. Half circle, that means 1 by 2 circle. One circle represents 360 degree. Half circle represents 1 by 2 into 360. 360 divided by 2 will be 180 degree. So half circle represents 180 degree. Number 15, in a complete circle, there will be 360 degree. Here number 14, 180 degree. Complete circle, 360 degree. Half circle protector has 180 degree marked on it. Okay, half circle represent actually 180 degree. An acute angle between 0 degree to 90 degree. An acute angle is between 0 degree to 90 degree. An obtuse angle is between 90 degree to 180 degree. Okay, a right angle represent 90 degree, and two right angle means 2 multiplied by 90 degree, that will be 180 degree. So this is the solution up to question number 20. Now, question number 21. 3 right angle means 3 multiplied by 90 degree. 3 multiplied by 90 degree will be 270 degree. Number 22. A reflex angle is between 180 degree to 360 degree. Okay. Straight angle. Straight angle represents 180 degree. The edge of a circle is called circumference. Okay. So we know that if this one is a circle, then this red color line is called the circumference. Okay. Number 25, in a circle, diameter equal to twice of the radius. That means 2 multiplied by radius. Radius equal to diameter divided by 2. Because radius is half of the diameter. Diameter divided by radius is 2. Semicircular turn has 180 degrees. Now, question number 29. Quarter circle is known as quadrant. Okay, quarter circle is known as quadrant. Half circle is known as semicircle. 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 Number 31. Center and any point on circumference joining line segment. That means center and any point on the circumference joining the line segment is known as this one, radius. Radius. Number 32, the line stretching across the middle of the circle is called, suppose this one look like this, middle of the circle, this line is called actually the diameter, okay? This one is called diameter. Number 33. 33 says the diameter of a circle always passes through the center, and intersect 2 points on circumference. Very simple one. 34. If a circle has diameter 6, its radius is 6 divided by 2, that will be 3 meter. And 35. If radius of a circle is 2 meter, diameter will be twice of the radius. That means 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4 meter. Now, 36, 2 right angle represent 2 multiplied by 90. That will be 180 degrees. 37, perimeter equals 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. 38, 4 right angle means 4 multiplied by 90 degree. That will be 360 degree. 39, length equal to volume divided by breadth into height. We will use this formula when we want to find out length of a cuboid when volume, breadth and height are given. Now, question number 14. The perimeter of a rectangle with length 15 centimeter and width 7 centimeter, then perimeter will be 2 multiplied by 15 plus 7. So 2 multiplied by 22, that will be 44 centimeter. So answer will be 44 centimeter. And this is the solution of this fill in the blank sheet for class 4.